Hey, good morning. It is day 7 of 4Patriots Great American Road Trip. So rolled in last night late to Twin Falls, Idaho. And again, this was a halfway point between Yosemite and Yellowstone where we're heading. So something really cool about Twin Falls, Idaho. 50 years ago, an American icon by the name of Evel Knievel attempted to jump the Snake River Canyon. All right, and you'll see it's right behind us, but basically what happened is his X2 Sky Cycle, as he called it, had a steam engine rocket in it. Upon liftoff, the parachute deployed, and he ended up in the Snake River instead of across the Snake River Canyon. So here we are, again, departing Twin Falls, Idaho. Yellowstone, here we come.